Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep speaking. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just keep speaking English. Many English learners understand English, but they are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if someone laughs at me? What if my English is not perfect? Don't think like this. Remember one thing. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage to start. Mistakes are normal. When you learn something new, mistakes are normal. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. When children learn to speak, they make many mistakes, but they don't stop. They keep trying, they keep speaking, and slowly they improve. You should do the same. Don't stop speaking. Maybe you say, I go to the market. The correct sentence is, I went to the market. That's okay. Don't stop. Learn from your mistake and continue speaking. Say, I went to the market yesterday. Again, I went to the market yesterday. Excellent. You made a mistake, you corrected it, and you continued speaking. That's how learning happens. Don't think too much. When you speak English, don't translate every sentence in your mind. Don't wait for the perfect sentence. Just speak with simple words. For example, I am hungry. I want some water. I am going outside. I have some work. I will come back soon. These simple sentences are enough for practice. Speak to yourself. You can practice English alone. Look around your room and describe what you see. Say, this is my room. There is a table. There is a chair. My phone is on the table. My book is near the window. Keep speaking. You don't need anyone to practice with you. Speak every day. Don't practice English only once a week. Practice every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes is useful. Speak in the morning. Speak while doing your work. Speak while walking. Speak in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I studied English. Now I am relaxing. Simple English is good English. Build your confidence. Don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Everyone has a different learning journey. Maybe someone has been speaking English for 10 years. You may have started only recently. So, don't compare. Compare yourself with your past. Ask yourself, am I better than yesterday? If the answer is yes, you are making progress. Remember these words. Now repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I will keep speaking. I will not give up. I don't need perfect English. I just need regular practice. I am becoming more confident every day. I can speak English. I will continue speaking. Excellent. Remember, don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't stop. Don't wait for perfect English. Just speak. Make mistakes. Correct them. Learn from them. And keep going. One day, you will look back and realize how much you have improved. So, from today, don't be afraid of mistakes. Just speak. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. And never give up. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep speaking. See you in the next lesson. Speak without fear. Build your English speaking confidence. Part 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last lesson, we talked about making mistakes. Today, we will learn how to speak English without fear. If you feel shy when speaking English, don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners feel the same way, but you can overcome this fear. Let's practice together. Don't wait for perfect English. Many people say, I will speak English when my English is perfect. But this is not the right way. You don't need perfect English. You need regular practice. Start with simple sentences. Say, I am learning English. I am practicing every day. I want to improve my speaking. I am becoming more confident. That's enough to start. Speak slowly. You don't have to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly. For example, I am going to the market. Pause. I need to buy some vegetables. Pause. Then I will come back home. This is good English practice. Slow speaking helps you think clearly. Don't be afraid of people. Sometimes we think, what will people think about me? Don't worry about that. People may notice your mistakes. They may even correct you. That's okay. Listen to the correction, learn from it, then continue speaking. Remember, your goal is improvement, not perfection. Practice in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, smile, and start speaking. Say, "Hello, how are you today?" "I am doing well. Today I am going to practice English. I want to speak English confidently. I will not be afraid of mistakes." Speak for 5 minutes every day. Your confidence will slowly grow. Talk about your day. One of the easiest ways to practice is to talk about your daily life. For example, I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. Then I cleaned my room. After that, I studied English. In the afternoon, I did some work. In the evening, I went for a walk. Now I am practicing English. This is simple, but it is powerful practice. Think in simple English. Try to think in English. Don't translate everything. When you see your phone, think, "This is my phone." When you open the door, think, "I am opening the door." When you drink water, think, "I am drinking water." When you sit down, think, "I am sitting down." Start with simple thoughts. Slowly, your mind will become comfortable with English. Your daily challenge. Now I want you to try a simple challenge. Speak English for 5 minutes every day. Choose one topic. For example, my family, my daily routine, my favorite food, my hometown, my hobbies, my future goals. Speak continuously. Don't stop because of mistakes. If you forget a word, use another simple word. Just keep speaking. Repeat after me. Now repeat these sentences. I am not afraid to speak English. I don't need perfect English. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will practice every day. I will learn from my mistakes. I will become more confident. I will keep speaking. I will never give up. Very good. Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. So don't wait. Don't be afraid. Don't worry about mistakes. Open your mouth and speak. Even if your English is simple, just speak. Keep practicing every day, and one day you will speak English naturally and confidently. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep speaking English. See you in the next part. Keep speaking English without stopping. Daily Speaking Practice, Part 3. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to practice one very important skill: how to keep speaking English without stopping. Many learners know many English words, but when they start speaking, they suddenly stop. They think too much. They search for the perfect word. They become nervous. But today, we will learn how to continue speaking. Don't stop after one sentence. Don't speak only one sentence. Try to connect your sentences. For example, I woke up early today. Don't stop there. Continue. I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth. Then I washed my face. After that, I had breakfast. See? One sentence became a small conversation. Practice this every day. Use simple words. You don't need difficult vocabulary. Simple words are enough. Say, I am tired. I am hungry. I am happy. I am busy. I am going outside. I need some water. I have some work to do. These simple sentences are very useful. What if you forget a word? Sometimes you may forget a word. Don't stop speaking. Try to explain it in another way. For example, you forget the word umbrella. You can say, it is something I use when it rains. That's okay. You don't always need the exact word. Just continue speaking. Use connecting words. Connecting words can help you speak longer. Use words like and, but, because, then, after that, so, finally. For example, I woke up early and I had breakfast. Then I cleaned my room. After that, I studied English because I want to improve my speaking. Now you are speaking longer. 1-minute speaking practice. Let's practice together. Your topic is my daily routine. Start like this. I wake up early in the morning. Continue. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, after that, I have breakfast. Continue. I do my daily work. Then, in the afternoon, I take a short break. Continue. In the evening, I relax and spend time with my family. Finally, at night, I have dinner and go to bed. Excellent. You just spoke about your daily routine. Don't translate everything. Try not to translate every sentence from your first language into English. Instead, think directly in simple English. Look at your chair and think, this is a chair. Look at your book. This is my book. Look outside. The sky is clear. Look at the time. It is 12 o'clock. This simple practice can make English feel more natural. Speak to yourself. You can speak English while doing your daily activities. While cooking, I am cooking lunch. While cleaning, I am cleaning the room. While walking, I am going for a walk. While studying, I am reading my English book. While resting, I am taking a short break. You can practice anywhere. Your 10-minute challenge. Today, try this challenge. Speak English for 10 minutes. For the first 2 minutes, talk about yourself. For the next 2 minutes, talk about your family. Then talk about your daily routine. After that, talk about your favorite food. Finally, talk about your future goals. Don't stop. Don't worry about mistakes. Just continue speaking. Repeat after me. Now repeat these sentences. I will keep speaking English. I will not stop because of mistakes. I can use simple English. I can explain things in different ways. I don't need perfect English. I will speak every day. My confidence is growing. My English is improving. I will never give up. Very good. Remember this. Don't think too much. Don't wait for perfection. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Use simple words. Keep speaking. The more you speak, the easier English becomes. So, start today. Speak for 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. Little by little, you will become more confident. Just speak. Keep speaking. Never give up. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep speaking English. See you in the next part.